Kincaid Auction Realty is dealing with a real emergency. We are liquidating a private auto body and mechanical repair shop with a massive amount of tools and equipment, along with vehicles and four-wheelers, a car hauler trailer, and it all has to be cleared from the premises by the 31st of this month. Tool cabinets, chests, massive quantities of hand tools, electric and pneumatic power tools, 10,000-pound car lift, a portable frame machine, body shop tools, paint guns, air compressors, welding machines, spot welders, hoists, come-alongs, clamps, fasteners, diagnostic equipment, torch sets, engines, transmissions. We even have some 454 block assemblies, and the list goes on. And it all has to go immediately. If you want a real bargain in automotive tools and equipment, go to our website and follow the links. That's www.kincaid.com. The auction is being conducted totally online, and the pickup location is in Sebring, Florida. Remember, the auction will end on August the 29th, so don't wait. Go to our website, follow the links, and start bidding now for some of the best deals that you'll ever find on automotive tools and equipment. We take credit cards and we love cash. Do you need your bargains shipped to you? We can handle that too. Just don't miss out on this great opportunity. The catalog's online now. Go, register, get in on the action.